Good morning students, welcome back to Shebo online class. In the previous class we have studied the area bounded by the given region, and today we are going to see application of integration in economics and commerce. And listen, how to find cost function from the marginal cost. That is marginal cost, we know very well marginal cost is differentiation of cost, that is dc by dx. In the last year we have studied. And from marginal cost, how to find cost? If you integrating the marginal cost, we get cost. So C is equal to integral MC into dx. And one more thing we know very well, average cost is C by x. That is cost or total cost by x. We get the average cost. Understood? Take page number 114 in your book. Exercise 3.2 first sum. The cost of overall of an engine is rupees 10,000. The operating cost per hour is at the rate of 2x minus 240. At the rate of cost means differentiation. That is marginal cost is given 2x minus 240. But the engine has run x kilometer. Find out the total cost if the engine run for 300 hours after overall. So we can take x is equal to 300 hours. When x is equal to 300 hours, we have to find the cost. Okay. First cost find out pandrom from MC. How to find cost? Or C is integral MC into dx. So integral MC is 2x minus 240 dx. So integrating we get 2 into x square by 2 minus 240x plus some constant of integration k. So we get C is equal to x square minus 240x plus k. At the starting, that means x is equal to 0, our cost is 10,000. Using this we get x equal to 0 and C is equal to 10,000. We get 10,000 equal to 0, again 0, 240 into 0, so 0 plus k. So 10,000 equal to k. Okay, substituting k value here, this is our cost function, isn't it? Substituting k value, first equation implies C is equal to x square minus 240x plus k is 10,000. Now when x is equal to 300 hours, our cost is 300 square minus 240 into 300 plus 10,000. 3 3s are 9 and 4 zeros minus 3 0 72 plus 10,000. So 90,000 plus 10,000 is 1 lakh minus 72. We get 28,000. This is our cost, rupees 28,000. So the answer is what? 28,000. Listen second sum, the same exercise 3.2. Elasticity of function Ey by Ex is given by minus 7x by 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x. That is Ey by Ex is given minus 7x by 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x. Find the function when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 by 8. And we know the formula. This is also we have studied in 11th standard. Ey by Ex equal to x by y into dy by dx. Which is equal to the given function is what? Minus 7x by 1 minus 2x 2 plus 3x. Now taking this y function to x function to right hand side, we get our left side is dy by y. So using the variable separable form, which is equal to minus 7x by 1 minus 2x 2 plus 3x. Bring these two x to right hand side, we get dx by x. X gets cancelled, we get dy by y equal to minus 7 by 1 minus 2x 2 plus 3x. minus 7x, yes, dy by y is equal to minus 7 by 1 minus 2x into 2 plus 3x. Now consider this right hand side. We have to partial differentiation. Using partial differentiating this, we get, first consider the right hand side. Now consider the right hand side, and also we have to write this as positive 7, means we have to take one minus sign from this term. We get 2x minus 1. So here one minus gets cancelled. So 2x minus 1 into 2 plus 3x. 2 plus 3x. Now consider the right hand side. 7 by 2x minus 1, 2 plus 3x equal to some constant a by 2x minus 1 plus b by 2 plus 3x. Okay. Now equating the numerator, we get 7 by 2x minus 1, 2 plus 3x equal to, taking 2x minus 1, 2 plus 3x as LCM and cross multiplying, we get a into 2 plus 3x plus b into 2x minus 1. Equating the numerator, we get 7 equal to a into 2 plus 3x plus b into 2x minus 1. Now put x is equal to, listen, equating this to 0, 2 plus 3x equal to 0, we get 3x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 2 by 3. First put minus 2 by 3. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. So 7 equal to, this becomes 0. And the next one, b into 2 into minus 2 by 3. Minus 1 is equal to b into minus 4 by 3 minus 1. And b into, taking 3 as LCM, minus 4 minus 3. So we get minus 7 by 3. The left hand side we have 7. Taking this to left hand side, 7 into minus 3 by 7 equal to b. So therefore b is minus 3. 7 gets cancelled. The remaining one is minus 3. So our b value is minus 3. Next we substitute x is equal to, now listen, 2x minus 1 equal to 0, then 2x equal to 1, x equal to half. So we put x is equal to 1 by 2. In some mark any first equation and substitute in 1, we get 7 is equal to a into 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 and plus b into this becomes 0. Okay, so leave it, and 7 equal to a into 2 plus 3 by 2. A into 2 2s are 4 plus 3 by 2. This is 7. So 7 by 2 into a. Bring this left hand side, we get 7 into 2 by 7 equal to a. 7 gets cancelled. Therefore our a value is 2. So we get a and b. So therefore dy by y equal to 7 by 2x minus 1 3x plus 2 into dx. In this case we assume this as a by 2x minus 1 plus b by this, and after getting the value, a is what? 2. 2 by 2x minus 1 and b is minus 3 by 3x plus 2 into dx. And our left hand side is dy by y. Now integrating both sides, we get, integrating dy by y equal to integral 2 by 2x minus 1 minus 3 by 3x plus 2 into dx. And this is what? This is log y, isn't it? dy by y is log y equal to, and this is take 2 outside, and this is also 1 by 2x minus 1. This is of log type only. 1 by x is log x, isn't it? So this is of 1 by ax plus b into dx equal to log of ax plus b by a. This coefficient of x is what? A by a. So using this here, 2 is constant taking outside, log of 2x minus 1 by the coefficient of x is 2. Similarly, minus 3 into log of 3x plus 2 and its coefficient is 3 plus some constant of integration, take as k. Now 3, 3, 2, 2 gets cancelled. Here we use log k because all the terms are in log. So we can take this constant as log k. And listen, our left hand side is log y equal to log of 2x minus 1 minus log of 3x plus 2 plus log k by law of log. Listen, left hand side same log y. This is log a minus log b is what? Log of a by b plus 1 log k. Now product law in logarithmic, log of 2x minus 1 by 3x plus 2 into k. So left hand side is log of something, right side also log of something. So taking exponential on both sides, log gets cancelled. We get y is equal to 2x minus 1 by 3x plus 2 into k. To find the k value, we use x and y, the given value of x and y. Here x is equal to 2 and y equal to 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 equal to 2 into 2, 4 minus 1 by 3 2s are 6 plus 2 into k. So 3 by 8 equal to 3 by 8 into k, which implies k value is 1. Substituting this k value here, we get the required function. So mark it, already we put one first equation we assumed, so here we use second equation. Substituting k value here, we get y is equal to 2x minus 1 by 3x plus 2. This is our required function. So hence the function is second equation, y is equal to 2x minus 1 by 3x plus 2. That's all. Understood this? Our next formula is inventory. Inventory is denoted by I of x, and the total inventory carrying cost equal to C1 into integral 0 to t I of x into dx. Here I of x is inventory, C1 is the unit holding cost, and t is the time period. And using this formula, listen, your book, the fourth sum, or fourth sum is listen, the fourth one. A company receives a shipment of 500 scooters every 30 days. From this experience, it is given I of x is 500 minus 0.03 x square, and unit holding cost is rupees 0.3, and time is t is equal to 30 days. Using this formula, we get total carrying cost is what? C1 into integral 0 to t I of x into dx. Here C1 is 0.3 and 0 to t, capital T is 30 days, and I of x is 500 minus 0.03 x square into dx, which is equal to 0.3 into integrating this 500, we get 500x minus 0.03 x square, integrating x square we get x cube by 3, and the limit is 0 to 30 equal to 0.3 common 500x minus cancelling we get 0.01 x cube, and the limit is 0 to 30. Substituting 500 into 30 minus 0.01 into x cube is 30 cube, and substituting the lower limit we get 0, so we leave it. 0.3 into 5 3s are 15,000 minus 0.01 into 2 7 3 zeros, 0.3 into 15000 minus 2 digits are cancelling, so 2 zeros are cancelling, we get 270. So after the calculation we get 4419. Hence the total cost for maintaining inventory for 30 days is rupees 4,419. That's all. I hope you all understood today's class and revise all the examples and do one time in your classwork. Thank you, students.